Dear students and parents, I am Abhishek Srivastav, teacher of Ayodhya Academy Senior Secondary School, Ayodhya. Student, today I will tell you water conservation. Importance of water conservation, benefit of conserving water, method to conserve water. What is water conservation? Water conservation is the practice of using water efficiently to reduce unnecessary water uses. दूसरे शब्दों में कहें तो वाटर कंजर्वेशन मीन्स यूजिंग लेस वाटर और रिसाइकलिंग यूज वाटर सो दैट इट कैन बी यूज अगेन। अर्थात पानी को हमें बचाकर खर्च करना चाहिए, पानी को हमें कम खर्च करना चाहिए, पानी की जितनी आवश्यकता है उतना ही उसको प्रयोग में लाना चाहिए। अगर हम एक शब्द में बात करें तो पानी को बचाना ही वाटर कंजर्वेशन होता है। यू नो दैट वर्ल्ड वाटर डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 22 ऑफ मार्च। 22 ऑफ मार्च को पूरा विश्व, पूरी दुनिया वर्ल्ड वाटर डे के रूप में मनाती है। वाटर इज द सोर्स ऑफ लाइफ फॉर एवरी लिविंग थिंग ऑन द अर्थ। Water conservation is the reducing the use of water and recycling of wastewater for different purposes such as cleaning, manufacturing and irrigation. It helps to save energy, protect wild animals and prevent people from using so much water that it cannot be replaced with rain. So water conservation is generally defined as the socially beneficial reduction of water uses or water loss. Importance of water conservation. Water is very important resources. Water cover 71% of the earth. It means water is occupy more proportion compared to land. Without water, there would be no life on the earth. We use water in so many different ways in our daily life, but this water becomes polluted due to environmental changes. So it is necessary to conserve water. It is our moral duty to protect water. A few simple changes at home about water consumption make a vast contribution to water conserving on a global level. So some changes are as follow. First, turn the tap off when not in use, especially when we brush our teeth or wash clothes. Second, avoid leakage of water from the taps. Third, avoid unnecessary flushing of the toilets. Dispose of the tissues, cigarettes and other waste into bins instead of toilets. Use minimum amount of water to take bath. Use a broom instead of hose to clean the sidewalk or car. Use washing machine to wash cloth that do not consume much water. Do not leave the tap running while washing dishes in the kitchen. The water supply should be limited in the areas which enjoy unlimited water supply. Educate people in the rural area to save water. Promote conservation of water through media and wall posters. Benefit of conserving water. Some way to conserve water are as follow. First, it save our money bills. Second, reduction in entire water use reduce wastewater flow, especially overflowing of gutters which contaminates the environment. Third, water conserving help in improving the quality of drinking water. Next, environment benefit include ecosystem and habitat protection. Method of conserve water. Some method to conserve water are given ahead. Rejuvenation of historical water bodies. There are many traditional water bodies which have not been used for a long time. These bodies can be reused as recharging points. Next, ponds. Steps should be taken to promote cessation of sewage dumping into the village pond. Effort need to be made to deepen these ponds with dredging machines. Garbage and other waste should not be dumped into water bodies. Next, rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is the collection and storage of water from the rooftop. The traditional method of rainwater harvesting is the most effective and simple way to conserve water. It means utilization of rainwater for domestic as well as for agricultural purpose. The three technical methods of rainwater harvesting are catchment, convenience, and storage. A systematic support to local innovations on decentralized rainwater harvesting could provide substantial amount of water in time to come. Traditional system of rainwater harvesting would become more efficient if scientific attempts are combined to enhance the productivity of local knowledge. So, water conservation is very important for everything. ये तो था स्टूडेंट्स वाटर कंजर्वेशन यानी पानी को कैसे हम बचा सकते हैं और पानी को बचाना हमारे लिए बहुत ही ज़रूरी हो चुका है. पानी है तो जीवन में रवानी है, पानी है तो जीवन में रवानी है, इसके बिना जीवन की नई कोई कहानी है. मत करो मुझको बर्बाद, इतना तो तुम रखो याद, प्यासे ही तुम रह जाओगे, मेरे बिना ना जी पाओगे. सो स्टूडेंट प्लीज़ इसे सीरियसली ज़रूर लीजिए. पानी है तभी जीवन है, पानी बिना जीवन व्यर्थ है. सो सेव वाटर, सेव लाइफ, सेव वाटर, सेव अर्थ. थैंक यू. हैव ए नाइस डे.